is about taking large areas of the city's hard standing and accumulatively changing that over time. This is both with surface water management, so we're actually disconnecting that water from the old combined sewer system that has its own climate change challenges in pollution and capacity, and slowing that flow and treating that flow before it returns to the river system.
In Emilia-Romagna, we approved the mitigation and adaptation strategy in 2018, and after this document, we found that in our region we have all of the main climate risk effect for all the kind of topics of matrix. For example, we have a problem of extreme events in terms of flooding and landslides. We have heat waves, we have soil degradation, we have sea level rise with also coastal erosion. And this is also a problem for our agriculture and industry, again for the same reason. We have also some drought effect and also the increase of the forest fires.
The Varzio Park retaining basins have already proven their value. Recently, in 2022, there were heavy rain episodes all through the Lisbon metropolitan area, and there were lives lost, there were big damages, but here in Setúbal, mainly at the city center, everything was calm. So we know that the retaining basins are working.